Hey there, it's Kathy with Be Creative with Kathy, and in this video I'm going to show you how I put together June's Crazy Card Chics kits to go. So it looks like this. This is what your packet looks like with the instructions. I'm going to put the envelope aside. We'll use this card here as reference, but I'm going to take all these little pieces and parts out here. This is our card base. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add this little strip of designer series paper right here. I'm just going to take some tape runner and run it across down here and put it on this edge of the inside of the card base. Try to get the borders right on all three sides, or not right, but equal. There we go. Then I'm going to take this piece of designer series paper and I'm going to set it on the front of the card. It should fit nicely right here. Yes, it does. I'm going to try to line up my designer series paper this way and down here. One more time real quick, I'm going to take my bone folder and get that edge down here. Now, my suggestion is if you want to stamp something on the inside, I would do it now before you put it in there, but I'm going to take this piece of basic white, whether you stamp it or not, and we're going to set it right inside here. Just giving it the same border along here. Just make it look nice on the inside like that. Now it's time to layer these pieces here. So we have our thanks, we have our layer of thanks, and our three clouds. The first thing I'm going to do is the layer thanks, or the pink part of the thanks, is a sticker. I put the sticker back, or really the adhesive sheets on the back before I die cut it, and that way it has a sticker. So I'm going to take off almost all of the sticker back. I'm going to leave a little bit of it on there just so I have something to grab onto, and I'm not grabbing onto the sticky part. And I'm going to start with my little T part up here and just lay that right there onto the white, and then just kind of force it down and peel that back as I go. Oops. We got the A on there, or I'm getting the A on there. Just leaving that little white border all the way. Take off the rest of that backing. Being gentle, I don't want to tear the cardstock. There we go, all the backing off of there. And then I'm going to just kind of force it and lay it into place where it goes. Get that little white border all the way so that my thanks ends up looking like that. Now I'm going to take my clouds here, and the first cloud I'm going to just put some adhesive on there and place it, it's stuck to my finger, about here on the card. Now I made sure, I don't know if you noticed, I made sure there's no adhesive here, and I just laid it about there on my card. Then I'm going to take dimensionals here, and I think I'm going to just use 3 and kind of place them at the bottom of my cloud here, and then take those backings off. And then this one I'm going to layer it so it matches, or it lines up with the edge here. And this one I'm going to put 1 dimensional on the side over here, and then layer him right there so you can see that third cloud peeping through. And now my 3 clouds are about the same size as my thanks. And then with just a little bit of liquid glue, I'm going to just put some liquid glue on the back of my thanks, and it doesn't take a lot. A little bit of liquid glue goes a long way. And take that and just layer that right there on my clouds. Hold it down, let that adhesive do its job. There we go. So there's my card for June's Cards Kits to Go. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being a part of Crazy Card Chics, and we'll see you back here next month. Take care. Bye-bye.